I'm hoping this is working. This is the weirdest, most confusing and nerve-wracking thing I've ever had to do in my entire life. Thank you, Sam, for making it happen. I'm just going to go and get Abby.
Hey guys, oh that's loud. Hello, hey, okay. Hey everyone, hello. So this is our 4th gig, I think, yes. This is 4th gig, week number 5, because one of the weeks we did a Zoom chat as well. So today we're going to be playing For All Our Sins, aren't we, Han?
We are Abby. If anyone's confused, Abby
and we're gonna we're gonna play through the album. We're gonna make a few little changes because Together Alone, we would really like to play the old version, which we believe was a bit better received than the one on this album. But also we have a request. So what we would like you to do is, if you are at home watching this, when we get to Together Alone, if you can film yourself dancing or singing along with us in the background so that we are all together alone. And the idea is that we can use some of that footage then to go towards making the video. So even if it's just you mouthing along or arms in the air, or if you want to go all out dance routine.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah.
Make it weird and wonderful.
Han, anything that you'd like to add to that?
Definitely do that. Also, sorry about the rainbow, Abby. I had an idea that we could have the rainbow matching,
what
but
she said.
I didn't realise that it
we also have a little tweak to another number as well. See if you can guess which one that might be. Okay. So we're going to kick off For All Our Sins. We're back in 2017. We've had an amazing photo shoot with the lovely Alice, where we're surrounded by lobsters and 60s style clothing, and the birth of the tea towel happened in 2017. That was a massive breakthrough. What else happened in 2017 around this album?
I only know what's just happened today, that's all. 2017, what are we in now? 3 years ago, don't know.
Lots of that, really. Yeah. Lots of good fun stuff happened. So let's kickstart this one. This is Smokescreen. This is track 1 on the album, and it goes like this. 2, 3, 4. Make the plans.
Make the sun is shining through. When the cracks appear and they all fall down, we know that this is nothing new. So dry your eyes. It's not only you. Find a way to see through. Live, nothing to prove. It's not a test. Don't try your best to hurt you. See, no one is looking at you. We all can see it was not me that you ache for in your darkest need. Manipulated, faithless love. Go show your world, make them believe. Eyes above your vicious view. All unfold. Take the finest, box it up. Show you how it's sold. I'm understanding how it feels with ego chipped and bruised. I've been driven and shaped and you recreate. You know I won't be used as a fine extension of yourself. You cry for you and nothing else. You die to shift the focus back to what will be with oh poor me. It's sad to see that nothing has changed. 2, 3. We all can see it was not me that you ache for in your darkest need. Manipulated, faithless love. Go show your world, make them believe. show you how it's sold. It's not a test, try your best to hold.
The tide is hungry through the risks, knowing the consequence of pain that you so desperately endure. Your desire to threat without intent is high in your significance. Shame you are still
Banging on the door.
if you have understood or had belief, you don't recognize our name.
Our success caused all your stress. Stop dealing in the flame. Rise above your vicious feud. It's not only you find. Turn it into gold. Let live nothing to prove. Take the finest, box it up to see it through and live. Show you how it's sold. It's not a test. Try your best to hurt. Rise above your vicious feud. It's not only you find. Turn it into gold. Let live nothing to prove. Take the finest, box it up to see it through and live. Show you how it's sold. It's not a test. Try your best to hurt. Dislike my life, despise my life. It's your ungraceful, wasted time.
I think my finds and lives weren't in the right place.
Oh, that's the least of my worries.
What are you gonna do?
I
Sue
hope you're
us.
all right, guys.
Don't sue us. If you were going to sue us, use the money wisely and put it towards something better, like loo rolls or hand sanitizer, or donate to these guys. Okay. How is everybody doing this week at home?
Abby, you can reply to comments because you're not here.
What about you, Han?
I'm good, actually. I've been learning to build. We say build. I've been like making a desk. So I've been getting in
Very
touch
nice.
with my masculine side. My
I've
fingers
been
are more manly than they
cooking
were.
more, trying to make bread. Mine is never quite as good as the bread that Woody makes, so
Oh, mate,
I
I
might
love
retire
some.
from that and just leave that for him to do.
Feel free to drop some off.
I think you'll be impressed though with it, Han. When all this clears and you get to come over here again.
Man,
I mean, obviously,
it's
we're
going to be a
together
real
now,
treat, isn't it?
as you can
Or
see.
we'll just get used to playing separately.
Yeah, what else have I been doing this week? Growing sunflowers.
That's a good one.
Really excited about that. Never did that as a kid, so it's quite fun
Did you
having
not?
things to grow. I'm just going to adjust something quickly. One
I
sec.
thought that was going to be a lead in to grow
Let's
then.
just do a little bit of that.
But I think it's Mr. Wilson. I'm hoping.
Is that any better? It's getting a bit of a moustache area there. Not a good look, even in lockdown. I mean, it's completely up to you. I'm sure most of the nation has gone hairy over the last month. And that's a personal choice, isn't it? If you want to grow a moustache, whether you're male or female in lockdown, go for it. No one's going
Absolutely.
to stop you. No one's going to judge you.
I've actually not lost my tweezers.
How's your beard?
Beard is fine because I haven't lost my tweezers. I packed everything else away because we're leaving the house in a week, so we've only got one more of these gigs to go. But
I mean, my roots.
yeah, roots.
Control.
I
But
mean, it's not
little
even roots.
headband won't fix.
Hairdressers are going to do really well when
Shall
this
we
is done, aren't
swiftly
they?
move away from growing our moustaches and the fact that we've got bad hair. Excellent. Okay, this song is called Mr. Wilson, and it's a bit of a love song.
I've got the driest mouth I've ever.
Okay.
I can't even say it. Say it. Oh, where's my gin? Oh yes, thanks,
We can talk it over as sun slips away. We're faced with the night.
It will fade away, I'm sure.
Tell me not to draw the line. I'm losing my fight. I'm doing just fine. I shouldn't have you on my mind. You say close your eyes and we'll be alright. This could all be chemical.
It'll fade away, I'm sure.
At the end of each day, it's you I breathe. I need more. So teach me how to disappear. Please show me why it's your ghost I fear. Keep on spinning through this haze. Every minute you're here, every minute we make. This could all be chemical.
It'll fade away, I'm sure.
At the end of each day, it's you I breathe. I need more. We can sit and wait, contemplate the world outside. We can talk it over as sun slips away. We're faced with the night.
It'll fade away, I'm sure.
Breaking branches as we climb. The closer we are, the less we try. So tell me not to draw the line. I'm losing my fight. I'm doing just fine. Cello solo. We can talk it over as sun slips away. We're faced with the night.
It'll fade away, I'm sure.
So tell me not to draw the line. I'm losing my fight. I'm doing just fine. Nice one.
Sorry about, I can never get that right. It's a major at the
We
end.
originally, like many years ago, recorded this song with Tony Locke. Tony, if you're listening.
Yes, Tony.
And it's a very, very different version where there is like this pretty instrument added in that gap, hence why we say cello solo. But when it came to recording it on this album, we never put the cello in. Like, years we've been waiting for a cello.
You're learning the violin,
to film
Abby.
the
You
cello
could just
solo.
whack
So
out a cello.
if you are a cello player out there,
Is it the
help
same
us,
strings?
please. Yeah.
Yeah.
So next, this is the one, guys. I said that we would give you lots of notice. Ah!
And I know that we've said
Okay,
that we've got enough photos, but we
grab
haven't.
your drinks.
Turns out we haven't. We need more
Get your
videos.
dance on. Get your singing voices out. If you don't want to sing, mime along. But what you then need to do is send all of these clips. Just send them in a little Facebook message to us, or you can email them to info@soundofthesirens.net, which I believe is up there or down there. It's listed somewhere on this screen.
Sorry,
the email
mate.
address. Please send little clips of you mouthing along or dancing along to this song with your families in your front room, wherever you are at home right now. It would be lovely to use that material to add into our video.
We had a major
What do
panic
you say
before
to
this
that then,
happened.
Miss Wood?
Well, it should be written at the bottom, but we didn't have Chrome in the last 10 minutes, hence the shakes.
Okay.
So if you want to do that.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready at home? And this version we are doing, as I mentioned before, we're going to do the little breakdown in the middle. We're all alone in this together, because we missed that on this album. It was fun to do a different version, definitely, and it's good not to be stagnant with your music and to keep trying new things out.
A bit like
it fit this album very well, but actually we prefer the original way that we played this, and I think you guys do as well, don't they?
I think so. I was hoping we could read comments,
ready?
but if you've got anything to say about the sound, just right.
I feel your absence in the light. Only you can make it better. Wishing away these dusty days. Just know we're all in this together. Push through and see your worth. Find faith in all that's cursed. If you believe it, so will we. And you can live out all your dreams.
Time is never too much. Time forever on our minds. We try to climb inside the concept behind what keeps us all alive. So run faster than you think you can, bolder than your master plan. For we are strong, we all belong, and all we have is find the chance you wish to see. It's the same for you and me. Say it when you feel it, contemplate real bravery. Go and break your boundaries, go and sail across that sea. Beyond the moon, so soon your time will come. Take the idea and go run. Run. Time is never too much. Time forever on our minds. We try to climb inside the concept behind what keeps us all alive. So run faster than you think you can, bolder than your master plan. We are strong, we all belong, and all we have is find the chance you wish to see. It's the same for you and me. Say it when you feel it, contemplate real bravery. Go and break your boundaries, go and sail across that sea. Beyond the moon, so soon your time will come. Take that idea and go run. Time is never too much. Time forever on our minds. We try to climb inside the concept behind what keeps us all alive. So run faster than you think you can, bolder than your master plan. We are strong, we all belong, and all we have. Together alone, we're all in this. We're all alone in this together. Together alone, we're all in this. We're all alone in this together. Together alone, we're all in this. We're all alone in this together. Together alone, we're all in this. We're all alone in this together. Together alone, we're all in this. We're all alone in this together. Together alone, we're all in this. Time is never too much. Time forever on our minds. We try to climb inside the concept behind what keeps us all alive. So run faster than you think you can, bolder than your master plan. We are strong, we all belong, all we have is time. There's never too much. Time forever on our minds. We try to climb inside the concept behind what keeps us all alive. So run faster than you think you can, bolder than your master plan. For we are strong, we all belong, and all we have is time. Yay! Thank you guys if you joined in at home.
Excellent.
If no one did, then we're clapping to no one.
All done.
Yay! I'm sure you did. So please send those videos in, and we can mix them in with some of our live gigs we've been doing over the last few weeks, and that would be amazing. Plus, we sort of scrapped people sending videos because we had so many. But if you feel the inclination that you have something really fun that you're doing that's a bit different together alone at home with your family, and you think it would be a good thing to share, then please do send them in. We can't promise everything will be used, but we'll try our hardest to filter through and make sure most things get used. Mwah! Nice one. I should also add
There's a funny beat.
that
but I don't know
this is slightly different tonight. Obviously, in the kind of process of being here in a live gig, I completely forgot to mention that, Han.
What was that, mate? There was a funny beep that I was listening to.
So how's it going for you? I mean, the pressure's really on for you tonight because you are liver than live.
I'm actually live.
She's
this is the livest
really,
I've been.
really
and I can't believe
live right
it's
now.
working. And I haven't got you
and
here, but you are here.
I get to do the easy bit. I mean, I could do anything right now.
So those of you that are tuned in,
Say
I am
anything.
live, and Abby's not.
Do anything I want.
I'm in your
What are you
Paris.
going to do over there?
Actually, I'm about 6 hours, 6
You
seconds.
can't do
delayed.
anything.
No,
You
I
can't.
can do
You
this,
can't
though.
reach over and touch me.
I can.
That's like that annoying thing from school.
I'm not going to be rude.
Can't touch me, can't get mad.
It's really
Isn't that
hard.
thing that you would say stuff, and I feel like I'm doing that now. One of those. Anyway.
It's really hard not to be rude, isn't it, with one of these projectors? Somebody's ringing
What's next, Han?
on the computer. Hopefully that's not coming through. Next we've got Grow, which we haven't played for a long time. Can you hear the beep? everyone.
What's she saying?
Can you can you hear the beep, Abby? From your home? Does anyone else feel like we're in a Black Mirror episode?
This song never gets played anymore.
That's the line of the
It used to be a song years ago called Best Intentions, and then we took little bits of it and turned it into Grow. So this is Grow. And actually, I think the lyrics are quite fitting for the situation that we all find ourselves in over the last few weeks. That
no one ever rings me.
We can only grow from this.
And they do now. They do really, sometimes.
So yeah, we hope you enjoy this one.
Why? Okay.
Pressure's on, mate. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. We can only grow.
We can only grow.
Don't do that, does it?
Thank
So I'm
God
just
for
going to
that.
start that one again. Okay.
Pretend that never happened.
2, 3, 4. We can only grow.
We can only grow.
We can only grow.
Gracefully. If you find your worth, it's underneath. So that you deserve
It's make believe, our minds to see that I am you and you are me.
secretly.
Don't tell anybody. You heal my grazes and we talk for hours and we build up castles and watch at the tide grow.
We can only grow.
Grow. We can only grow.
Dangerous. Your dreams were big and scary me. It's very deep. But it's so there for us to see.
Let's make deceit, our minds believe I won't be what you make of me. Don't tell everybody you're afraid it's what your heart's so big it busts you. You never doubted this, you always did believe.
Oh, we can only grow.
And make sure
Sure you know there is no pot of gold. Desperate climb alone will feed your soul. This is it right here, we have it all. The rain will come, but we can only grow.
we can only grow. We can only grow.
Can grow. We are growing. Oh, my
And there's the chords in case
1, 2.
someone
Testing, testing, testing.
was playing them in the wrong order.
My mic's not working.
Can't get the staff, can you? Okay, little swapsy now.
1, 2,
So
3.
this
up,
is a song called Chaos. So we're just gonna
It's a whole different ball game live.
get a
isn't it?
mandolin.
Well, I hope this is bringing you some distraction.
I've forgotten to bring
Whatever
a
you're going
drink in.
through.
I'm really gutted. The only liquid in here.
Yeah, I feel
is-
ya.
Nah, I mean I'd consider it, but
I've got.
there's a bit of liquid in the top of the old sunflowers.
Ooh,
I can't do that. That's desperate times, isn't it?
it's not as bad as what I found in the room earlier.
What else is there?
A lot of mould.
Nothing. I got nothing.
So yeah, we hope you're all okay,
This
everyone.
bit's really unpleasant. Sorry, Anne.
And coping in this madness. Hopefully, everything will start to ease and stuff. I don't really know. I don't know what's going on.
Okay, so it feels like in the last few weeks we've kind of navigated our way through this chaos, and it does feel, speaking for myself, it does feel like we're we're starting to understand this new way of living, aren't we? And we're calming with it, and we're getting used to our new routines
That's what I was trying to say.
and the new way of living, and it's becoming not so chaotic anymore. So we're kind of through the initial chaos. Hopefully you guys feel the same as well. What about you, Han?
Yeah, up and down still. You do kind of get used to the new normal, I suppose.
I mean, interesting that you've decided to move house in the middle of the chaos. So that's a whole new level of chaos.
Yeah, that it's all.
I just want to say, I know you've been burning a lot of furniture.
Yeah.
Because the skips aren't open.
Yeah.
But please don't burn any clothes. Just
No, I won't
put
burn
them in
any
bin bags and bring them here.
We're filling up
Only
the
the nice
garage
ones and the washed ones.
with charity shop stuff. So when the lockdown is lifted a little bit,
Okay,
you can come round
are you
and go
ready?
through the charity boxes if you
2,
want. I mean,
3.
maybe not.
Oh. Far away where the lines are frayed and the color seems to be blurred, there is a place deep beneath the waves, and your voice is all that can be heard.
Got this under my skin. I'm a lovely little thing, really. I've got this under my skin. I cannot let you in. I shiver, thinking of you with her. I'll try to reconsider, but I'm falling out of time. You might be sorry, causing all this worry. Forgiveness can't be hurried, and you are out of line. Close our eyes,
Forget those reasons why
pain apart,
on the pages of our sky,
sail away,
from the unrelenting day,
turn our backs,
on the chaos that we made, tearing down beneath the call of the thunder's mighty roar. Sink beneath the sky of white, and we'll sweep the clouds no more.
I've got this under my skin. I'm a lovely little thing, really. I've got this under my skin. I cannot let you in, you liar.
Threw me in the fire.
In all of your desire, I'm no wiser than before.
I admire the way that you require my heart in its entire.
I can't do this anymore. Close our eyes,
Forget those reasons why
pain apart,
on the pages of our sky,
sail away,
from the unrelenting day,
turn our backs.
from the chaos that we made. Forget those reasons why on the pages of our sky, from the unrelenting day, from the chaos that we made. Is it just the chaos that you crave? Is it just the chaos that you crave?
Sorry. I promise I
That
practiced.
one, I think, is the scariest one that we've played yet, because
Yeah.
it's very much your bit, my bit, your bit, my bit harmonies. So it felt really empty to play, and then it was really hard to keep up with what was going on.
Well done, mate. You're really good at.
That was
Oh,
like the
if it
thoughts
was the other
inside
one.
my head, because obviously we're live.
Yeah,
Shouldn't have said that.
I am.
Not
live.
have said that. I'll give the game away, Han.
If you have tuned, okay, I've said
What
that
you
before.
experienced then was the chukka
The chukka chuk. And,
which covers any mistake ever.
known to man.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you as well
In
to
this
everyone that's tuning
time.
in and supporting us. This is keeping us sane. I think without this we would without being able to shout liar. Be screwed.
So, 2017, as we mentioned last week, is when we finally get to close our eyes on this track.
Thanks to Ian.
So this song is a hopeful song about love being enough, and there's a line: we can only move as fast as the water chooses to carry us, which my dad said once, great to Mike Martin. I mean, he probably stole it from some like major philosopher or something, but I just thought it was amazing, so we've used it in this song. This is where you guys are all underneath like Plato said that. But so this is In This Time. Okay, you ready, Han?
Not quite. Nearly.
2, 3.
Twice for help, you're wrong, I'm strong, I can do it all on my own.
Falling from grace, I feel I'm gonna be the best, I'm gonna test myself to prove I'm not insecure. I'm living for the words I heard, a face, a place, a lifetime ago. I know I can do it on my own.
Probably not.
I know I can do it on my own. Can only move as fast as the water chooses to carry me. Awaking, faking, agitated, give me your energy. Taking turns as a candle burns at both ends of this party. What a journey we've known. We will cope, we will cope, we will rise on this path in this earth in this time. And with hope, all we can do is try. And with love, we will cope, we will rise on this path in this earth in this time. With hope, all we can do is try. And with love, it's love, we will cope. On this path, in this earth, in this time. And with hope, all we can do is try. And with love, it's enough. We will cope, we will rise. On this path, in this earth, in this time. And with hope, all we can do is try. And with love, it's enough. Close your eyes.
The lyrics of that one felt even more fitting.
Nice one, Hannah Wood.
Live in this time, apart from when you can't.
Okay, little swapsy.
Right now.
Have you been doing much of your painting recently, Han? How's that all going?
No, not at all. I painted a lovely thing. Well, not a lovely thing. I painted for a lovely thing called Enough Hands to Hold. So, guys, Yvonne and Andy have made a group called Enough Hands to Hold, and they're making playlists each week. And come and join. It's really fun. And it's nice to be part of a playlist. So I painted a little mixtape. That's it. I haven't been feeling very inspired on the whole painting front. How's it all going over there with the
Excellent.
comments?
I got out the old paintbrushes recently to do a little Easter
Yes,
card.
Abby, she's got a right hidden old talent there.
That is literally all I can draw.
It's brilliant.
When I was little, I could draw an elephant, which I copied from the Body Shop elephant. the cartoon one.
I love that.
Winnie the Pooh. And now as an adult, I can draw a bunny. And that's it.
Oh, yeah, but if you can draw anything,
But
you want
you
to draw a
know,
bunny.
that could get me far.
I can only draw dolphins.
We can make a bunny tea town
Not
next.
that well.
Just a thought.
I'm up for one. I'm in.
Okay, this
Any
song
excuse
is
to
a
make a
love
tea town.
song, which we all lead right now, don't we? It's about the possibility of falling in love with a friend.
That's not the song I've got, mate.
I mean, not ideal if you're like living with a housemate and suddenly you realise you're in love with them right now, because there's nowhere you can go or escape to. So I take that back. Don't just fall in love with whoever you're living with right now. Actually, that's probably going to happen quite a lot, isn't it, around the country?
I
If
reckon.
people are forced together, they'll be like, fall in love with the old housemate.
Aw, that's really
Maybe
nice.
it is a good thing.
Yeah, it depends who your housemate is.
There's going to be loads of new relationships after this.
Any love is love.
Okay. Oh no, wrong. Don't you panic over
I
there.
know, because if it's too high,
Here we go, possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You told me once that all our memories get sweeter by the day. She told me not to mix them up with what I'm wanting him to say. They told you once that all the bitterness and pain was good in vain. Told you then to keep the faith, to stand alone, try to be brave. You fell down hard. You held on, you came back scarred.
You'll never turn your back on you, my friend. We'll know if it's ever gonna be. We'll know love, but it's true love. The possibilities, they grew love. So we will fight and we will learn together, strong and standing tall. Held on. Held on, came back strong. You never turned your back on me, my friend. We'll know if it's ever gonna be. We'll know love, for it's true love. The possibilities, they grew love. We'll know if it's ever gonna be. We'll know love, for it's true love. The possibilities, they grew love. See the world and get it right and get it wrong. Find your luck and this might be where you belong. But for now, I'll cherish this and celebrate all we are and all we're not and all our fates. When we fall down hard, we can come home and show our scars. Please never turn your back on things, my friend. We'll know if it's ever gonna be. We'll know love, for it's true love. The possibilities, they grew love. Not this time, now we cannot begin. We'll find out if it's real love. We learn to let it in with no doubt. Then we'll know that it's always gonna stay. We'll know love, because true love will always find a way for you, love.
It's not. It's on.
Yeah, so I take it back. Go and fall in love with your housemates, everyone. Why not?
Not sure if I've got any microphones.
Okay. We've only got a couple left now, so this is the song that is going to be slightly different to the album version, but I think you know why if you're following the track listing. So we have a special guest coming to join us now. Who could it be? Drum roll. Welcome to the stage, Semantics. And he's going to be joining us on the voices. So this is a different version to the original, but we think this one's better as well. Okay.
He's also the reason for all this
Are you
happening.
guys ready? Okay. You alright, Sam?
Yeah.
But we should do a big public thank you as well to Sam for making these videos actually happen. Because let's face it, me and Hannah don't know how to use like Instagram and Facebook. We can just about charge our mobile phones.
Thanks, guys.
And that's pretty much it. So without the technological skills of Mr. Semantics here, aka Sam Walker,
Thanks,
this
guys.
would not happen. So thank you for making this happen. Thank you for listening to the voices in your head that told you it was a really, really, really good idea to make lots of videos for Sound of the Sirens.
I'm loving it. Sorry for staring right at your face.
1, 2, 3, 4. There's a small voice in every one of us that talks on our behalf and shouts out all our faults. It's a long life to listen to the lines they write. And they're wrong. We can all be strong when they expect us to be straight. We won't bite at all their bait. We can find use in all of the mistakes they make. So we open up the boxes with our heavy hearts and open minds, scream and tear it down and shout, what's this all about? We take this truth and wear it with our eyes for why we live the life. Young we grow to learn, to shake off the monsters and run, run, run for your lives. There's a mad dog on its way to ruin your mind. Do it all your own. It's an unkind world with lost within. When the walls are closing in and the chances disappear in this wonderful world, we'll never know just why we're here. Hold on to every part of you, for the demons in the dark will play games within your heart. Let it go. End it now so you can start. So we open up the boxes with our heavy hearts and hopeful minds, scream and tear it down and shout, what's this all about? We take this truth and wear it with our eyes so wide we live the life. Young we grow to learn, to shake off the monsters and run, run, run for your lives. There's a mad dog on its way to ruin your mind. Do it all your own. Have fun, fun, have as much as you please. Make it big, make it bite, bring it down to its knees. Do it all your own. Run, 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 run.
All the villainy within me, the secrets that I share. Thought I found my voice, but the silence is unfair. I'll find strength in understanding. It's out of our control. We can find it till together. I can't do this on my own.
Voices I hear haunt me, tease me, beat me up and taunt me, distorting all my thoughts so often done to keep me falling, causing me to doubt myself, convincing me I'm pointless. Voices always screaming, leave me bleeding, keep me joyless. I can't escape, I try to run but cannot hide. No matter where I run to though, they're always in my mind, locked up inside. No way to make them leave, they amplify every doubt I have about. I felt they bribe or spreading lies, but I don't know if I'll make it on my own. Just me versus the monster, racing trains to take control. Invisible to others, though it grows but isn't shown. Hard to fight the monster when you're fighting it alone. The figure is emotion showing others that is there. It tries to make you scared to share, convince you no one
really hope
cares.
this is the right
Just
one.
cause it's aware that there's no way that it can beat you. If you open up yourself and call for help, it can't defeat you. Perfect, Debbie, well done.
So we open up the boxes with our heavy hearts and open minds, scream and tear it down and shout, what's this all about? We take this truth and wear it with our eyes so wide we live a life. Young we grow to learn, shake off the monsters and run, run, run for your lives. There's a mad dog on its way to ruin your mind. Do it all your own. Have fun, fun, have as much
monsters
and run.
Semantic!
Was that right?
I've gone in there.
It was either slightly too short. I just started thinking about things and then I was like, you're counting. Well, I shouldn't have listened to the voices, should I? That's all I can say. It happens sometimes.
Are going
Hopefully
mental.
you just created like an extra bar of rap, maybe. Perhaps that's what you did, who knows? Thank you, Sam.
Perfect, Emma.
Semantics, everyone, yay! And that, I think, might have been a new version of that song because I either played an extra bar or I missed a bar. Live. That's what happens with live music, isn't it? Guys, you've been so lovely as ever. So we're going to leave you with the last track now, which is called The Circus. We hope you've had a lovely night. Please send those videos in. Stay at home, stay safe, be responsible, look after the people around you, and keep communicating. That's the key.
We are
It's
not
the key
alone.
to everything. Han,
Next up.
well done you,
Nice one, Abby.
being
I hope I
over
haven't let you
there
down.
with your witty
miss
banter
you.
and your chat. What's that?
Next up, go on to Davy Malone. He's playing at
How many beers have you had?
And literally one's in. My mouth's so dry.
Be
I'm dying of it.
honest.
But the shop's not open. And then we've got
Lie to
Muddy
Abby.
Summers and the Dirty Field Horse on at 9.
Capo for you.
Stay and let's have a festival. It's really exciting. We're going to go
see.
and burn more furniture in the bar. Good in.
Until tomorrow.
We can't all begin to know the way.
You speak of sorrow.
We're standing on the line to feel your pain.
We'll know tomorrow.
Maybe then we'll wish it all away.
We'll feel no sorrow.
If we know we played it all our way. Round in circles in this circus of intention. We fall
down.
down in promises. I'm sensing the deception in this vast show.
We fall down. And all the pretty lights, they all conspire to eat your mind. Hold on. Hold on.
There's no rehearsal, but we'll never have this time again. We're still so
We fall down.
roll reversals. It has come with such a
I think most of this gig has been played our way, and you've been playing it your way. But one day we will play it our way again.
I can't wait.
Guys, thank you so much for being here again with us tonight, and
I think we might have missed
shall
off a
see
song.
you hopefully next week. Han,
Yeah?
you go and have a good week now. Treat yourself to another little beer.
You too, darling.
Mwah,
Mwah.
mwah.
Thank you so
Night,
much, everybody.
guys.
And it's not.
Oopsie daisy, missed one out, didn't we? When I say we.
Yeah, I can't get blamed for that.
I think what it was,
No,
Han,
yeah.
you've just been sending out a lot of bad energy, and I picked up on that, and it threw me mid-gig.
Yeah,
it's
future.
probably that.
Yeah. The future of your own
What have you
self.
got to say for yourself over there?
I have got so much to say, but nothing is coming out.
I mean, in reality, it was me. And I'm not proud
No
of
one
what I
noticed,
did.
Abby.
I'm sorry. Missed it out entirely. But here it is at the end, like the encore that you didn't ask for.
Abby's giving yourself an
So, or if you did ask for an encore, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. Thank you
Apparently
for
there were
having us
people
back
who were
here.
being told,
We just
oh,
went and stood over there behind the curtains for a while, trying to be very showbiz. So here is the missing track, Cross Our Hearts, as our encore song. Sorry, guys. Okay, here we go. 2, 3, 4.
Chemistry, it doesn't lie with odds so slim, no reasons why. What we feel will map our hearts, so we cross our hearts and we hope to survive. Then you look at me like that, and when you look at me like that, I've got to go. When you look at me like that, I've got to go back to the world I know. I'll switch this off, no one will know. We'll fight the impulse, fight the need to let this feeling in me grow. Then you look at me like that, and when you look at me like that, I cannot say. When you look at me like that, I cannot say, and I cannot do. I cannot stop these thoughts thinking of you. I cannot see and I cannot hear, but what I feel is draped in you. Then you look at me like that. When you look at me like that, I start to know. When you look at me like that, I start to know. Maybe I've known this all my life. Elements that underlie the certainties we cannot fight. Then you're saying it like that. When you're saying it like that, I cannot deny. When you're saying it like that, I cannot deny you there under my skin. Could mess this up before we begin to stand in love and covered in you in madness, soaked in sin. Then you're saying it like that. When you're saying it like that, I've got to go. When you're saying it like that, I've got to go. We know for all our sakes, for all our faults, for all our sin, we cannot afford to make this magical mistake begin. Then you're kissing me like that. And when you're kissing me like that, when you're kissing me like that, when you're kissing me like that, I know, I know.
And that is the ending now. That's it. There is no more. That's it. I'm sorry, no. Please, please stop. Thank you. Thank you. So, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. That's it. That is the end now. That is the end because I haven't made any more mistakes. Sorry about that, everyone.
Bet you will. Go on, Abby. Come back. On the cake playing. Mwah. Thank you, everybody. I've been told to explain what happened tonight, as in technology-wise. Okay, so what happened tonight was Sam has got a genius brain and has put Abby onto the screen, there she is, via a computer. I'm probably not the best person to explain this. So, it's Woody, tight. That's my brother. So yeah, she's been projected and I was live, and I've never been so nervous about anything in my whole entire life. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope that it's given you some sort of distraction or some whatever laughs. And let us know if you want us to do the same like this next week, or you want it to go back to the other way. But this is more nerve-wracking. It's good to be scared. Apparently, it's good to be scared every day. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking. Thank you, and good night, and have a wonderful night. And don't forget to go and look at Davey Malone and then Muddy Summers and the Dirty Field Whores on at 9. Cool. Have an amazing night. Bye.